Today I'm teaching you how to buy Cardano on Coinbase. So for starters, make sure you have a Coinbase account, you have verified identity as you will probably need it to buy any of these cryptocurrencies in the first place. The second thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to fund the account. And the way you do that is you hit cash. And under here, there's two options that you can do. So my preferred method is putting my money into USDC as it has a 4% APY, which means you get 4% on the money that you just keep here, which is great. And so what you're going to want to do here is hit deposit cash, then select the amount of cash you want to actually deposit from your PayPal into this. So if you don't have this, if you don't have the option to do PayPal, hit this and add payment method, as they'll give you more options for you to choose from. After you've got that set up and you've got money into your Coinbase, it's going to look something like this with however much money that you put in. What you're going to want to do now is search up the cryptocurrency that you want to buy. So for this instance, we're going to be buying Cardano. Go ahead and click this. Make sure it says ADA. This is the official one, and it should be ranked pretty high up there. So this is ranked number 9. After that, click it, and then this should pop up onto this page. What you're looking for is this buy, sell, and convert. Now keep in mind, this process is the same throughout computer and phone. So it's no different. It'll just look a little different because I'm using the desktop version of it as opposed to the app. So once you're at this screen, what I'm going to be doing for this tutorial is I'm going to be buying $1 worth of Cardano using my payment method. So at the moment it's linked to my PayPal. I'm going to go ahead and click that and switch it to USDC to make sure the $1 comes from the USDC storage that I have to buy Cardano. So once everything is set and it looks similar to mine, all you have to do is hit review order. Then after all of this is done, keep in mind there is a 2-cent fee. This is just how it is when it comes to buying cryptocurrency. It's also a reason for you to buy their membership, but I don't have it. I don't really use it. So I'm just going to go ahead and pay the 2-cent fee. It's really nothing. And then go ahead and hit buy now. This should say order submitted, and then just wait a few seconds and it should be successful. You'll know it's successful when there's just a check mark. And so as you can see, it says trade successful. To make sure, I usually like to do this every time after I buy something. To make sure you actually have it, go ahead and hit my assets. And here, it should tell you all the cryptocurrencies that you own. And as you can see down here, I own 97 cents worth of Cardano. If this helped you out in any way, shape, or form, consider subscribing.